Hey guys, welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and in this video, I'm going to be refinishing the fender flares on this old Jeep with the Dupli-Color Trim and Rocker Guard textured coating. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's get started. Dupli-Color's Trim and Rocker Guard is a durable textured coating that protects your vehicle from the wear and tear of daily use and provides an enhanced overall appearance of your vehicle. This formula provides superior adhesion on pre-painted surfaces, plastics, metals, and also protects from rust and corrosion, which makes this product ideal for steel bumpers, running boards, roll bars, plastic fender flares, and more. So when we restored this Jeep a couple years back, we had a black theme going on the body and the fender flares with the gloss black body and the satin black smooth fender flares. But this time we want to change things up a bit, add some texture and some contrast, and go with the dark gray metallic. Now if you still want to add that texture but keep the black, we do offer it in black. If you don't want any color, we offer it in clear as well. But what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to remove these fender flares because they'll be easier to paint off the vehicle, but you can also mask them off if you choose to leave them on. Prep is the most important part of any paint project. When applying Trim and Rocker Guard over metal, remove any loose rust and old paint from the surface and scuff with 220 to 400 grit sandpaper. When applying over plastic, lightly sand the surface with the red scuff pad. Wipe down the surface with a Dupli-Color prep product and mask off any areas to protect from overspray if components are still on the vehicle. Shake can for 1 full minute after mixing ball moves freely. Shake can for 10 seconds after each minute of use. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Hold the can 12 to 15 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light to medium coats and a back and forth sweeping motion, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Dries to the touch in 30 minutes, you can handle it in 1 hour and recoat at any time. All right, I let the fender flares dry on the table for about an hour, and now that I have them mounted up here on the Jeep, they really look amazing. The contrast between the dark gray metallic and the black looks amazing. And this textured finish is super even and looks great. And this is gonna give us great protection out on the trails. Now, if the dark gray metallic is not something that you're looking for, we do offer this in black and clear as well. For more information on Trim and Rocker Guard texturized coating and other great products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.